Today we're going to give an example of reading and writing IQ files using GNU Radio Companion. The first thing we need to do is we need to go out and pick up the GRC files, and they're out here on GitHub writeplane.rf space, and so we'll hit glitplane rf space, and then the files we want are readIQ-RTL.grc. Click that and then click over here to download it. Okay, and then we go back and we pick up the other file we want, which is writeIQ-RTL.grc, and we download that. Okay, we got them both downloaded now, and they're in the download folder, so we'll move them from the download folder to the GRC folder, and put new copies in there. And then now we'll start up GNU Radio Companion, and let's see. All right, so this has the ones in the desktop open already, and so we'll go over here to writeIQ-RTL, and it uses the RTL-SDR to receive, and it's tuned to a local radio station, and it's got a bandwidth of 2 megahertz. And it's writing two files. It's writing a file with the full complex data, all 8 bytes per, and then it's writing 1 byte per real and imaginary. So this has 8 bytes and this has 2 bytes in it. So you're saving a factor of 4 in space. And so we'll run this now. And here you can see the local radio station in the RF spectrum in the middle, and then there's a station here and a station there. It's not very prevalent, but they're there. And so we'll let this run a little while. Alright, so now we'll stop it, and we'll go over to the read version, and alright, we'll delete that. And the first thing we'll do is we'll just play the local radio station. So this is doing the same receive that was done in the write, and we'll just play it.
You been and you used to run Barrett Jackson?
No.
The long-haired guy?
Boy gun.
All right, anyway.
And so that's the real time on the local radio station, and then I'll delete that link and link it in here to the complex data. This is 8 bytes per, and then we'll play that.
So it's stuck in that queue. There it is.
All right. Well, so now, Craig, you hit a black hole. We've got this lady that's great, and she knows these cards. Oh, here's what happened. She's our Thunderbird queen. She knows them better than anybody, but her mother.
And so that was the playing back the full raw data, and then now we'll connect in the byte data where it's only 2 bytes per rather than 8 bytes per.
So it's stuck in that queue. There it is.
All right. Well, so now, Craig, you hit a black hole. We've got this lady that's great, and she knows these cards. Oh, here's what happened. She's our Thunderbird.
And so there's the example, playing it directly and playing back the 8 byte data and the 2 byte data. And as you can see, the 2 bytes is typically enough, and so if you're saving IQ data out of GNU Radio Companion, you might as well only save 2 bytes because it's as good as anything. So that's that for today.